Okay, here we're on part 2 of our cylinder hone finish. We've already roughed in the cylinders to within a half thousandths, and as you can see, we've switched stones. We have a 16 blade diamond cutter for the finish on this cylinder. We're going to put it in the last hole here and let it finish this hole out. We'll be on auto dwell, so if it has any tight spots, it'll stop and take them out. You may be wondering why we go to such pains to get this cylinder finished correct. Well, the difference is this is a blown big block Chevrolet with 871 on it, and we're going to make 900 horse with it on 92 octane pump gas. But the difference between my engines and the competitors' motors is with this correct finish in the cylinder, we can make 900 horsepower with only 5 pounds of boost. My competitors would probably have to make 10 to 12 pounds of boost to duplicate the same horsepower level, which will create detonation on pump gas. It's not a problem on racing fuel, but when people want to make 900 or 1,000 horse on pump gas, you have to have it done right.
We're going to find out what song was #1 on this date back in 1998. Coming up next.
So we're about done here. This should be the last run on this cylinder. When we get through here, I'll show you the readings on the board. They're within 1/10 of a thousandths.
Family around the corner drugstore. Now, Claire's working to give rural Missouri its fair share of Medicare funding. In the Senate, she's working to pass the Rural Hospital Access Act. Because McCaskill knows we have to make sure that all of Missouri gets access to quality.
As you can see, this cylinder hone machine will put this into 1/100th of a thousandths of being exact with the correct crosshatch finish, and we have a programmable crosshatch angle for different applications. So that's the base of this motor. We'll be making other videos as we get it done. But like I said, the difference between my motors and a competitor's motors is we can make more horsepower with less boost, which will make your motor last a lot longer. You won't have to be fighting detonation problems, and you can drive it around on 92 octane gas, and this motor probably run fine for 30 to 40,000 miles. And if you wanted to make more horsepower, we need to start with a dart block billet caps, but the customer had a restriction on his budget, so that's what we're doing, and trying to make him the best motor possible for his money. Thank you.